So here we're going to look at a Amazon and DoorDash question where we want to find the workers with the highest salaries, and what we want is the highest paid title. So we want to get the salary with the of the highest worker and see what their title was, accounting for ties and things like that as well. So we're dealt two tables here, one being a worker table with just some attributes about the worker, and then we have a title table which details their title and has their worker ID, etc., which links with the ID in this table. So what's ultimately happening here is that we want to look into the salary of the worker, but we also want to look into the worker title from this table. So we're going to have to join the two tables in some sort of way. Ultimately, we're going to be joining on the IDs. Okay. So what we can do is let's just select everything from the worker table, and let me just call it W. And what we want to do is we want to join with the title table, which I'll call T. And the thing that we're going to join it on is the place where the worker's worker ID is the same as the worker ref ID from the title table. So T dot like that. And so if I select this and run the code, we should get just one table here. So everything like this. Now we're only really interested in the worker title as well as the salary because we want to find the max salary eventually, highest paid. And so what we're going to do is from the workers table, we're just going to access the salary attribute. And then from the title table, we're going to access the worker title attribute. Okay. And so if I rerun this, we get just the ones that we're sort of focused on. Okay. And what I'm going to do ultimately is just store this table that you can see right now in a thing called a CTE, a common table expression. So we can say with common table expression as this. And so wrapping this whole thing in brackets and removing that semicolon at the end, what I can do is store this in the sense that I can now select everything from this CTE that I've created. Run that. And now we can just query this new table. So what we ultimately want to do is find the worker title with the highest salary. So we can just select the worker title from our common table expression, and we want to find where the salary is equal to like the max salary. How do we find the max salary? Well, all we need to do is just select. So select the max salary from this table that we're currently looking at. Okay. So if I run this code, what you're going to see is that it doesn't work. And the reason why it doesn't work is because, have I missed something here? I don't think so. Worker title from CTE, where salary, there you go. So if I rerun this, that should work. And if we compare this to the expected output, we notice that it's titled best paid title. So I'm just going to alias this as best paid title like this and rerun. There you go. So now we have output that matches the expected output. Let's just quickly check it, and no problems there. So in summary, just create this common table expression, and then we can run a query on the common table expression, filtering out the max salary. All right, thanks for watching.